there are trainers who have a 25% win rate who are way profitable compared to people who have a 90%. So I focus on the discipline and the risk management of things. Like some days I'll go 2 days without trading, 3 days. If I don't see my setup, I don't see my setup. There's nothing I can do. The market's going to be here tomorrow. And that's what makes me stay in the game a lot longer compared to a lot of other people.
There's no reason you should trade your P&L. That's an outcome based off of not what's in front of you. If you make decisions based off of a P&L and not the actual chart, then you're brain dead. In my opinion.
You're brain dead.
Well, if it isn't America's favorite merry band of futures boys and their fat-fingered parade marshal, MP. Did you remember to mark your calendars? Because this afternoon you are all cordially invited to Daddy Powell's Magic Mystery Tour. It's like Woodstock with interest rates and only the brown acid tabs.
Like, if you're struggling right now, like I've lost 12 soldiers to combat, 13 to suicide, right? If you're struggling, if you're grinding in life, I want you to read my story and find hope in it. Because that's what I represent is, no matter what you go through, there's always a glimpse of hope. Your perspective, you have to find it, right? It's not going to find you.
Another friend of mine who was on the Discord, Russ, we discovered Topstep. We started asking questions to support, and we did not believe it was true. We're like, this is like a scam. This can't be real. It's too good to be true.